question number 5. When I looked at this graph, I could tell it was a parabola, but a normal parabola would cross right here at 0, 0. So this parabola has actually been moved. And it looks to me like it's been moved 2 to the right. And it's been moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down. And I think that's the answer to the first one. Describe the translation of the graph from its parent function. Exactly. So the graph has been moved 2 to the right and 9 down. Write an equation in vertex form. So this vertex, you need to describe where it is. It's over 2 and down 9. So to put this equation into vertex form, you write y equals parentheses x minus the x value of your vertex squared, and then put the y value of your vertex. Again, here's the x value of your vertex, here's the y. If you can't remember what vertex form is, look at your formula sheet. The next thing I'm going to do is write this in standard form. Now to do this, I'm going to have to show a little bit of work. And here's what I mean by that. It's x minus 2 squared, so I have to write it twice. Now, if you remember, when you multiply binomials, you have to FOIL. So this is what I got. Y is equal to x squared, that's the first terms, minus 2x, that's the outside terms, minus 2x, those were the insides, plus 4, those are the last, and don't forget the minus 9. Okay, I can put a few of these things together. I can put these guys together, and I should be able to put these guys together. So my final answer is y equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. Next one, I need to find the zeros of the graph. So looking back at the picture above, you just need to tell me where this touches. Looks to me like it touches at x equals -1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and x equals 5. On what interval is the function increasing? I think the graph, if you read it left to right, begins by decreasing, but then beginning right here at the vertex, it starts going up. So to describe that, I would say that when you reach 2, from 2 and bigger, x is, well, why don't we just say where x is greater than 2, it's increasing. In other words, right here, where x was 2, it started going up. In the same respect, the axis of symmetry is also x is equal to 2. And that's that red line that makes this graph foldable, because I could fold that graph on top of each other.